All right, it's a cold day here in Virginia, perfect for a cold start. Give you the rundown cosmetically. No problems to speak of. She's been sitting for over a month on a battery tender, but as you can see, no issues. So I'm going to put my phone in my pocket and put the choke on her and get her going. All right, buddy, put my hands on the exhaust and the motor there just to show you that was a cold, dead start after a few months of sitting. At least a month. I don't remember the last time I started, to tell you the truth. That's part of why I'm selling it. So hopefully you like it. Let me know.